Hi, first video, and I just wanted to demonstrate some of the capabilities of the Flipper Zero. This is the NFC capability. So you usually find this kind of protocol on sort of door locks or anything with close proximity access control, sort of things like that. Well, this I have demonstrated. I have read a key fob and a master key for this. This is actually a drawer lock, not a door lock. So I have emulated or have read it, and I have emulated it, and the emulation is sending the signal to the lock, pretending that it is a legitimate key, and therefore it opens the lock. And that's one of